and write inside because it satisfies all the needed conditions. So I will now write z square minus 1z plus 1z. This one I'm copying this one. Z square plus 1z minus 6z. Then bring down your minus 6. Take it 2 sets. What is common here is z, because z is found here, also found here. Write out what? Z. Open the bracket. Z squared divided by z is z. And then bring down your plus. Then 1z divided by z, it will be 1. Close the bracket. What is common here is minus 6. Be careful that the sign that is at this particular number will be the one to come down here. If when it was minus 7, when it was plus 7 here, then plus 7 come out. Now that it is minus 6 come down. Open the bracket. Minus 6z divided by minus 6, it will cancel, the minus 6 will cancel minus 6 and leave you with z. Go there and divide minus times minus, it will be plus. Then 6 divided by 6 is 1. If you observe very well, you find out that the brackets are common. So z minus 6 in the bracket, open bracket, write one of the bracket there, z plus 1. Close the bracket. And that is the end of the working of number 2. We are going to solve number 3. Number 3. Let's do it here. Our number 3 is 2b squared minus 10b plus 12. I used to draw this line in order to remind students that if you have 1 here, you multiply by what? By minus 6, and it remains the same number. But in this case, it's not 1 that is here. So when I draw the line from here to this 12, telling you that you should multiply, this implies that you should multiply 2 times 12, which is what? 24. Because students used to forget, they will just begin to look for the factors of 12. Once you have a coefficient here that is more than 1, make sure that you multiply that number that is here by what you have as the last time there before you found the factors. We are going to find the factors of 12. Now, to find the factors of 12, the same procedures. 24 divided by 1 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then 24 divided by 5 will give you point something, it's not inside. 24 divided by 6 is the reverse of 4 and 6. So if you see that the factors have started dividing, then you stop. You have finished listening all the factors of 24. Now, we are going to analyze these factors. Which one is going to, when you multiply, you will get 24. When you add, you will get minus 10. Don't forget that there is one condition, condition number 3, says that if the last time is what? Is plus, the factors that will come to replace minus 10, all of them will have minus minus, because since here we have minus, all of them will have the same sign. And that sign has to be the sign of the center number. That is condition number 3, 6. Now let's look at, by adding or subtracting 1 and 24, can you get 10? When you add, it's 25. When you subtract, it's 23. So this one will not, it will not fit. Then by adding and subtracting 12, can you get 10? Something like that. Let me leave this one. Let's come to number 3 first. We're going to finish last with this second factors and also last factors. By adding and subtracting of 3 and 8, can you get 10? It's not possible, because when you add 3 and 8, you get 11. When you subtract 3 from 8, you get what? 5. So this one will not go. Cancel it. I'm coming back to 2 and 12 because it's looking like it is satisfying some of the conditions. That is why I leave this set of 2 factors. We're going to analyze 2 and 12 to see. Then, if the middle term is minus and the last term is plus, condition number 3 says that all the factors that are coming in to replace minus 10 must have the same sign, and there must be minus, minus. If I now say that I'm going to write minus, 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 minus here, because of the last time that is plus, you see automatically this one will not replace 10, because when you put it together, minus 2 plus minus 12, it will give you minus 14, which is not the number at the center. So this one 2 has gone. It's not going to, it did not satisfy all the conditions. Let's look at the last one, 4 and 6. If I now put the 2 sign, because of the plus at the last number, the conditions say that plus as the last time there, that means 2 factors are coming in must be the same, have the same sign. And that sign will be the sign of the center of the center number, the sign of the center number. Now, we now try to put minus the same sign, minus, minus, you see. If I multiply minus 4 times minus 6, will I get plus 24? Yes, I will get it. Yes, I will get it. If I add minus 4 plus minus 6, will I get minus 10? Yes, I will get it. So the last factors, minus 4 and minus 6, satisfy the condition. We are going to replace our minus 10b with this one is b, and this one 2 is what? B. Instead of minus 10b, I'm going to write this set of factors. I have 2b square minus 4b minus 6b. Minus 6b, then you bring down plus what? 12. There is something I want to remind students that mostly when they multiply and they find the factors of 24, if they are coming to solve, they will bring 24 and put, no, you will not bring 24 and replace 12 with it. Continue with your 12, but factors is the only factors that you find. You will not find the factors of 12, but you will find the factors of what? 24. When you substitute, what you do, continue with your 12. Don't bring 24 inside. So I will take two sets here. What is common here? I have 2 numbers that are common here. I have 2 and also b. 2 is found here and 2 can enter 4. B is found here and b is also found here. So I have 2b that is common. Open the bracket. When you divide 2b squared divided by 2b, 2 cancel 2, 1b cancel 1b, there will remain only 1b inside.